May it be a light for you in dark places when all other lights go out.
Hello YouTube, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at this Nextorch TA70 3500 lumen wedge light. This is like a candy bar style light, and this thing is super bright. We got a nice pocket clip right here. Very firm and secure. We got our power switch right here, which has a full lockout mode. Then you have a duty mode, and you have a tactical mode. Then we have our rear switch. And then underneath of it, we have our USB-C charger, which is pretty cool. This is an IPX light. Nextorch lights are basically geared toward law enforcement and military, and it has advanced temperature control. All right, we got our combat kitty walking through the shot. So to operate this guy is very simple, and we have a Tecto F2 Bravo knife here for scale. That's a 3.1-inch blade, so you can see the scale of the light here. These are really nice knives, made in America. I've done a review on these in the past. I'll put that on the end screen. Really nice, though. So let's take a look at how this guy works. Obviously, first, we have the lockout mode over here. You rotate that knob over there, and it just won't work no matter what you do. And on duty mode, if you click the button down, it will stay lit. And then as you tap, it gets brighter. And then when we go to tactical mode, if you tap this, it goes automatically to turbo, and it's just instant on and off, okay? And if you push all the way, it's strobe, and that is a unbelievably powerful blinding strobe, and the main light itself, unbelievably powerful and blinding. I will demonstrate all this tonight on my homestead. I live on a pitch black homestead. It gets super dark out here, and I will show you just how bright this thing is. It is very powerful. Now, I used to be in the infantry. I was a private investigator, and I'll tell you what, man, our lights were nothing like this. And the technology that this light represents is just absolutely unbelievable. If you could get in a time machine with this 10 years ago, you'd probably get $1 billion for this light. I mean, this is unbelievably high output and super sturdy, aluminum construction, really high grade workmanship and build quality. This is a full-fledged duty or military grade light. I really like it. Okay, so let's take a look at what this comes with. You got this little finger ring that you can put on there if that's your jam. I just am using this for everyday carry, so I took that off. It comes installed out of the package. It comes right on and off with 2 screws. Here's our manual. And you can see we come with a lanyard. And we also come with a USB-C recharger. Get our manual out of here. Open this guy up. And it shows you how everything works. All the controls. Here's our full specifications right here. Leave them up there for a minute so you can read them. Okay, so now, of course, what everybody wants to see is this guy at night. So let's get out here tonight. Let's put this thing through its paces and show you just how incredibly bright this is. This thing is like a pocketable sun. It's like having a nuclear reactor in your pocket. Really, really impressive. I'm out here on my homestead. It's about, I don't know, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, something like that. You can see off there in the distance, and you can see it's very dark out here. Off there in the distance is 3 10-lumen lawn lights that are lit. You can see up here in the sky, we have a moonless night, it appears. So it is, I'm actually paying, I just did a 360 in the sky. That's how dark it is out here. Okay, so we're back on this light right here, and we're going to do some testing. Now I have an Olight Onyx Pro right here. This is their brand new pocket wedge. This is their latest light. This is a very legitimately powerful light, okay? This is at max, this is 1700 lumens. So, okay, so this is low, medium, high. And now we're going to hit turbo. This will be 1700 lumens, and that's on. Come on, you need to go somewhere else. You're being a pain in the butt. Now that's 1700 lumens, and that's on spotlight mode. This is flood mode. 1700 lumens. Let's pan around here. Now again, 1700 lumens is a legitimately powerful light. You can see that's very bright, all right? So the next thing we're going to do is try this other flashlight I have on my person. This is 3000 lumens, and 3000 lumens is powerful. Here we go in full turbo mode, 3000 lumens, all right? Now, over there, that tree line you can see, that's a good 150 yards away. 1700 lumens, 3000 lumens, and we got 3000. And if we look over here, we have one of the true great escape artists known to man, which is my Doberman. There he goes right there. And he's at a range of about 50 yards. And without a light on him, he is totally invisible. You would never know he was there. But we hit him with this, boom, plain as day. Isn't that right, buddy? Yep, you see that guy? 40 miles an hour and totally invisible at night. This light makes him completely visible. This is on high. Turbo. And back at the camera on high. Turbo. Very, very, very bright. 3000 lumens bright. All right, folks, let's head back inside. Okay, folks, so as you saw, this light is incredibly powerful. It has incredible performance. The throw is just unbelievable. This is a monster of a light, guys, and this is extremely high value. This is only about 160 bucks, I believe, full retail. If this said Surefire on it, it would cost easily double the price. I mean, easily. Maybe 3 times the price. I don't even think they make a light with this kind of power output. This is an unbelievably powerful, compact, highly useful light. I definitely, wholeheartedly recommend this with no reservations whatsoever. The TA70 3500 lumen wedge light is 100% good to go. Gates of hell ready, folks. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remind me out.